Hello my friends! Aftermarket resin parts are the perfect way to give our model a new quality and to show a little more than what the basic kit offers. With them, the final effect of our work will be amazing. However, these are delicate parts precisely made and they require proper treatment. Let's check how to prepare them for gluing onto the model. Let's start by cutting the parts from the mold. For the precision of cutting, it's good to mark the cut lines and the element that we want to remove. Resin parts are dangerous to our health, therefore it is worth working with a face mask and on a moistened paper towel which easily catches dust from cutting and sanding. For cutting, we can use a modeling saw or for smaller elements the hobby knife. After cutting is completed, the remains are easily to remove just by rolling the towel. As long as you can, it is worth using a hobby knife. It makes less harmful dust. For the safety reasons, final sanding is good to perform on a wet sandpaper, which collects the dust. When our resin parts is cut and sand, wash it in water with a soap to remove oils after molding process and remaining dust from sanding. And that's it, all done. Dry it and our wonderful and beautiful resin element is ready for assembly. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. If yes, please like and subscribe. Take care and happy modeling!